So there it is, the new Coyote for the channel, as you guys been seeing on the post on our Instagram. And if you have not seen them, make sure you follow us on our Instagram. We got the new Coyote 2021 F-150, got the 5.0 10 speed, and this thing is badass. Now we did show it at the Freddy LSX show, so we made a video on that. If you guys didn't check it out, we put this thing in the burnout pit y no se rajó. No se rajó la pinche Coyote. Look, voy a comprar llantas nuevas. But it's bad. They got a little rubber back there todavía. This thing is bad, guys. Really good. Like I said, we just got it not too long ago. We got some plans for it. We actually already bought. So we bought. This is the stock headlights that it comes with. I got the Raptor Euro lights. So they're all black. They're all clear. Actually, I'm gonna show them to you guys. They're all clear. They don't have the amber right there or right here. That's off. It's got the LED bar that goes up and then this way. And then we also got the fog lights. It has the LED bar going down as well. So that's gonna give it a big ass change. Now we just gotta color match that grill and re-color match the bumper too. What's up? Huh?
Puro color match?
A huevo. Yeah, guys. So got those upgrades coming up for this truck. I actually got the headlights and the fog lights over here. I'm gonna show them to you guys real quick. For those of you guys that did not see that video, Freddy LSX, put a link up here so you guys can check it out of this thing being in the burnout pit. Como les digo, no se rajó. We got the digital cluster. It's badass, and we got the 12-inch screen. Raptor 4 Performance. Abajo también está ahí. 4 Performance. Let's turn this thing on. This thing is nice. Yeah. I think it has a Borla exhaust on it, so we might or might not change that up. We might change that up. I don't know. I like the way it sounds. It sounds pretty good. Go ahead and turn it off. We're gonna be doing some upgrades on this thing pretty soon, so if you guys want to watch that Ford content, you guys stay tuned for that. The headlights and the fog lights are first. Color matching is coming up, and then I don't know how I feel about the wheels. What you guys think? I think this thing is sitting on a 4.6 drop. It does rub a little bit in the front, so I don't know if to try to get that front up a little bit, because it is, if you look at it from right here, it is down a little bit more on this side. I don't know if I should try to maybe pick this side up a little bit, maybe an inch or something, and leave the back the way it is, or drop the back. I don't know what you guys think. You let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, I didn't know these headlights and fog lights were actually be that freaking huge. Pega. Here. Here is one of the fog lights. One of the headlights. A su madre. This is a passenger side. Let me see if I can take this off real quick. Guys, ahí está. That is the passenger side headlight. So like I said, it doesn't have the orange, the amber no more, either in the middle or on the sides. And this thing is freaking huge. I mean, I know they were big, but god damn. This is gonna have the LED bar from here going down, and then the fog light, which is I have right over there. I'm gonna show it to you guys. It's gonna continue the LED light and then go this way. Now, to go with these, we had to get the fog lights and the harness. Actually, let me open this one up. But real quick, shout out to Coyote F-150. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. That's the Instagram. He sells a bunch of parts for these Fords. Now, he was able to get me the harness, which is this one, and it comes with some instructions. This harness should be, I mean, it's plug and play, but I think you do have to run the harness inside the cab or something like that and be depinning them and stuff like that. So I've never done it before, but I am interested in maybe getting it done, so, or doing it myself. If not, I'm gonna take it somewhere. But if you guys want to watch that, let me know in the comment section below. Y aquí está la fog light. Let's see. So I got the fog light and the harness from Coyote F-150. So shout out to him. See if I can open this one up too. Damn, this thing is fucking big. This is part of the driver's side. This is driver's side fog light. So it won't line up right now, but it's got the LED bar right here. And this is the driver's side and the LED bar. See how these look compared to the factory ones. Yeah, so this one would go right here. Yeah. That's a big ass difference. That is a huge difference. That was the first upgrade that we had to do because I was gonna give it a big change. From the fog lights to the headlights, it's gonna be a badass change. So can't wait to get that done. Like I said, if you guys want to watch a video on us changing the fog lights, changing the headlights, and running this harness, let us know in the comment section below. Maybe we'll do a video showing you guys how we get that done. Let me open this one up because I want to put them side to side. Right hand side, now you can see that all right there. But this one, now you can see how it will line up. Más o menos. Yeah. Starts up here, goes down this way, continues down, and goes that way. This thing's gonna look freaking fresh. This thing's gonna look really nice. Can't wait to get this one. We had to do this upgrade. This one's gonna give it a big change, guys. The high beams are not gonna work. That's one thing I was told. It's not gonna work with this harness right here. But there is another harness that I can get to make it work. So I don't know. I might add it on later on. For now, I'm just gonna do this one. Let me see if I can put this headlight right next to it. A ver si no se me cae. Factory halogen headlight. The Raptor Euro style LED headlight. It's gonna look really nice, guys. So y'all stay tuned for those upgrades. That's gonna be coming up pretty soon. For now, we're on the way to Leading Edge Collision because we're gonna be picking up the SS Clone TKO G7. If you guys did not watch that live, that thing is headed to Las Vegas, Nevada. Congratulations again to Alejandro. We're actually taking it this weekend coming up. So getting everything ready, we're going to Leading Edge Collision to pick it up. We're gonna be taking it to J.S. Silva's Trucking. He's gonna be taking it all the way over there with Fonseca Productions. So shout out to both of them for making the drive and taking it from Houston all the way to Las Vegas. Me and Edgar are gonna be personally delivering the truck to Alejandro, giving him the title, giving him the keys, giving him the truck, and congratulating once again. So if you guys missed out on that live, I'll put a link up here so you guys can check it out. But the truck is headed to Las Vegas, Nevada. So we're gonna be out there this weekend. So let's go pick up that truck, get it loaded up, get it ready, and check out the final result. Hey, wait.
Go ahead.
I just remember your truck's here. Or what's left of it.
Y aquí la miro, güey.
¿Sí?
Su madre, no la
No
quiero
sé.
ver. No la quiero ver.
A ver. Allá anda el mero fin. Guys, if you missed out. ¡A la madre,
Va a
güey!
quedar el phone igual como la troca.
The new phone, too.
I didn't break it.
Chingao. Guys, if you guys didn't watch the last video, or one of the previous videos, Edgar's truck is sitting right over there. We're over there. He was involved in an accident, pero aquí anda, mira, caminando.
Caminando.
His back still hurts, but
En dos patas.
yeah, we'll go out there and check it out, guys. But we're here at Leading Edge Collision. And the malón de Adán, the Audi. Sitting right over there. And I just seen TKO G7 on that side, but we're gonna go say what's up first, and then we'll go look at it. That's a big ass Christmas tree.
For our little 2-foot one.
Nah, bro, it's like a little 4-footer. Yeah, it's a little 4-footer. Damn, that's cool. Damn, bro. How does it feel to have your keys
The
again?
battery did? Yeah, the battery
Oh, it's dead?
Well,
Damn,
we'll
it's
get
dead, bro.
somebody to...
So it's not
Nah,
just,
it's dead there, bro.
it's
Look
not
at
just
the
dead 'cause
truck.
of that,
Look
bro.
at the truck, bro. Look at the truck.
Hey, look, hey, did y'all hit it again or what?
Hey, for real. What the fuck?
Esto no estaba ahí, güey.
The scratch, right?
That scratch was in there, bro.
Scratch.
Shit. Damn, bro.
Yeah.
How does it feel to see it again?
I mean, nah, cause it's already been 2 weeks, so
Yeah.
I'm already kind of like, I already accepted the fate of what happened.
All right.
But it sucks. I mean, it sucks looking at it like that. You'll cry tears sometimes at night. When I go to sleep at night, I'll be like, my truck. With the picture under the pillow.
Hey, we got some badass pictures with it, though.
Yeah.
When it was lifted and dropped.
I should have kept it.
Hey, if
Would've
you would have had
been
it,
damaged.
if you would have had it lifted, it wouldn't have been damaged.
It would have probably just been the bumper.
Yeah. So what's the plan? You gonna try to turn it on or what? The rain jumper?
Yeah, I'll get a jumper.
Va a quemar, güey.
You think it'll
Aceite.
even start? I don't think it'll.
The clutch drive was
Sure.
fitting.
Hey, Angel, bring the jumper over here
A ver.
to the ramp.
Hey, where's the troquendo sticker at though? Yeah, there it is.
Oh,
On that
cover?
plastic.
¿Todavía se mira?
Bro, that sticker was like from like
Dude, that was 2013.
right?
Yeah.
It's stuck to the end, bro. ¿Sale?
Take it home and hang it at the shop.
Oh, just pop the hood. No, wait. You sure?
Pop the.
Oh, sí salió, güey.
Yeah, man. Clean it up and hang it at the shop.
Is that really from like when you...
Yeah,
Pop
it's
the
from 2013.
Ya, para que los que dicen que no aguantan, mira.
Quality stickers.
Well, they're gonna see sparks flying and shit.
I know. He's gonna.
Yeah,
He's gonna disintegrate.
You scared me, bro. Oh, shit. Nah, you don't have a horn, bro. Shit's gone. Niggas worried about
Turn the lights on so we can see.
Yeah.
Turn the headlights on so we can see.
Hey, take off the high beams, bro. Estás encandilando. Para atrás poquito. I don't want the fucking
Nah,
clouds trying to
it's
fly.
just a fan that'll make a big ass noise.
Alright.
Nada?
¿No hace nada?
Is the charger charged?
Got a blown bag. Another bag.
There was one here. I think they ripped it off.
Oh, there was one there? I was about to say, how come this one didn't rip?
I guess not. What the fuck?
Like an
supposed
airbag.
to.
It wasn't
Was it
supposed to?
supposed to?
No. Really?
It's all dependent on what sensors
Got hit?
are triggered.
Damn, imagine, bro, if this one would have popped on your end, it would have hit you right in the face.
Well, this one hit me in the face.
My hat flew, bro. That's the first thing I looked for. I was like, where the fuck is my hat?
my
And then
my
after-
head popped off.
Bro. And then I get out the truck and I'm looking for my phone. I'm like, oh yeah, ese también voló. I couldn't fucking find it.
Se me quemó mi pelo.
Voló el pelo. God damn, bro. Damn, so like the sensor on this side didn't get triggered, I guess. Pero el pinche putazón.
When it went like that, like probably went like that,
Uh-huh.
right? And if you think about the way that people are in the inside, when it does that, that person would have went this way. His head probably went this way. That's why that airbag went off and
Yeah,
not this one. It
yeah.
wasn't necessary.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
Dude, these things are pretty sophisticated.
Yeah.
Airbags.
So the first charger was probably low on battery. That's why it wasn't able to start. You want to bring another one?
Big boy in a small package.
Hell yeah.
Did I do anything?
No?
Not even the radio.
Yeah. It's probably
Yeah.
pushed into the motor and not letting it crank.
Yeah. But not even radio or nothing like that. So yeah, I mean, your fuse box is over there. Like all that stuff is up there. So all that got ripped off.
Took enough beating, it didn't want one more.
Yeah. What? Ni modo, güey. Llévate ese souvenir nomás.
So y'all had it locked, right?
No.
It's not taking the cara, right?
No.
No se le van a robar, güey. ¿Dónde va?
I don't know why they pulled it in.
Yeah.
Quedó. Major. You ready to see it go to Dallas?
Dallas?
Nah. I'm in the wrong state, bro. You ready to see it go to Vegas?
I'm ready to go to Vegas, bro.
Este va a estar más emocionado de ir a go to the casinos and shit.
Hell yeah.
There it is, guys. The SS Clone TKO G7 all wrapped up, ready to go. Look at that paint job. It's looking slick. And the bed liner, too. Bed liner. How many cans, Tony, after all? Six to do the bed liner like this, guys. This thing came out fresh. I'm gonna put a link in the bio on this video if you guys want to purchase the bed liner kit for this. If you want to do it on your truck or whatever you want to do it on. I think they got the tintable option as well, or just the black one. So you can go on there. I'll put the link in the description below. Now you're gonna have to put like your zip code or city to find a local distributor, but they'll get you taken care of and you can buy it with them. But this is how it looks. Let me see if I can open it with Toby. Mira la tapita. Shine some light. Can't see too much right now because it's nighttime, but it's looking pretty damn good. Check it out. Bed liner done on the truck. What'd y'all do to it after all? Y'all did like some wet sanding or buffing it or something like that?
Did a complete buff job.
Buff job?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And the rest of the bed line. Finish it up this time.
Ready,
Yeah.
ready?
Yes, sir.
It's going all the way to Vegas, bro.
Vegas
Let's go,
bound.
let's go.
Put 100 on black.
Yeah,
black.
yeah.
Right there. If you win, share the
Share the winnings.
share the winnings. Oh, yeah.
Put a present underneath the Christmas tree over there.
That Christmas tree over there. Hell yeah, guys! Huge shout out to the guys here at Leading Edge Collision. They got the SS Clone looking straight. They got an Oliver trucks looking good. So if you guys are looking for any kind of work, collision work, or anything else, make sure I hit them up. Hit them up, Boy Adan. Leading Edge over there. They take care of us on all the whips. Make sure they're looking good. So y'all catch this truck going to Vegas. It's actually leaving tonight. So the next vlog dropping is gonna be us taking it to the winner. You're gonna catch his reaction. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel to check that out. And remember guys, real giveaways, real winners. This was going all the way from Houston, Texas, all the way to Las Vegas, Nevada, to Alejandro that won it. He bought some merch, he secured his entries, and he's taking home that truck. Y'all stay tuned for the next giveaway. Dropping soon. And y'all stay tuned for the next vlog, guys. Vegas is Vegas. Be out. Shoo.